I came to Salt Lake City in 1951 to teach modern dance at the University of Utah. And since I'm from Cedar City, I knew the downtown area very well and I loved it. You could get almost anything you wanted downtown, just not groceries. In 1964, Shirley Ryrie and I founded a dance company at the University of Utah. And we did all of our rehearsing and all of our performing there, but we didn't have an office. So in the late 60s, a wonderful gentleman gave us an office in the First Security Bank on Main Street and 4th South. We had a downtown presence. And we moved from there to the old Atlas building up adjacent to the Capitol Theater a few years later. And now we were right in the middle, right in the center of downtown, and we loved it. In 1975, as luck would have it, there were discussions around the U.S. Bicentennial to build a theater, a home for the Utah Symphony, and at the same time to renovate the Capitol Theater, which was a movie house then, into a theater for the performing arts. Well, Shirley and I got involved in those discussions, and in 1978, we had a plaque on the door of the Capitol Theater, we had our props and costumes in the basement, we had access to a gorgeous, gorgeous new stage, and we had our first rehearsal in the second floor studio on the West Wing. We stayed in the Capitol Theater for 23 years, and then on the eve of the Olympics at which we performed, we moved down into the brand spanking new Rose Wagner Theater for the Performing Arts, and we loved it. You know, this next season marks the 50th anniversary of Ryrie Woodbury's presence in the city. And I'm so excited and happy to have been a part of the growing arts landscape in the downtown. It's exciting and it's vibrant and it's changing, and so are we. And so are the commercial area. Shopping is back. We can now find shopping in Gateway and in the incredible City Creek Center with all of those stores and groceries. You know, if I ever decide to move from my home near the University of Utah, I'm going to move right down into one of those newer remodeled living spaces right in downtown Salt Lake, where it's all happening. I want to be right in the middle of all of it. What I loved when the Olympics were here was traffic jams. I couldn't believe it. I was so happy to sit and wait and hear the cars honk and feel that this was really a metropolis, not a small city in the West. And I'd like to have that happen again. I'd like to have people come down, be involved with the arts, support the arts by buying tickets and coming to the theaters, rather than what sort of is happening. They're getting nice pleasure from their computers and the television and movies. But I'd like to have people see the arts live. So that's why we're here, and we hope we can keep making a difference by presenting the arts in downtown Salt Lake. My name is Joanne Woodbury, and this is my downtown story.